Men o'sha siz kutgan Diyorbek. Mana videomning ham 3-qismi boshlandi. Biz yarim finalga chiqibmiz. Bu esa semifinal, ya'ni yarim final. Mana shularni yutib olishimiz mumkin. Undan oldin biz mana bu o'yinchilarni kutib olamiz. Charchab ketgandir balkim. Xo'sh, Mbappe bilan bog'lanib qoldi. Mana bosib qo'ysakchi. Bo'laveradi. Xo'p, tezroq bo'lish kerak ekanda. Vaqtim kam. Bo'pti. Taktikani o'zgartirmaymiz. Ikkinchi taktikani qo'llaymiz. Xo'p, qani bo'lmasam, Chelsea. Xo'p, Chelsea bilan o'ynar ekanmiz. Xo'p, bo'lmasam boshladik. Chelsea bilan ketdik. Chelsea bilan o'ynaymiz.
Home team and here is the away team formation. He's won the ball back. He's got the ball at his feet. Oh, it's a clear shot. Oh, what a hit. That is a fantastic goal. And it's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? Kukurea. Here's Dembele. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. Sanchez blocks. That was a bad pass.
O'tgan qismda qochishlar bo'lgandi. Ular uchun sizdan uzr so'rayman.
Oh, well timed.
Hozir biz
Oh, there's an opening here. A goal from McTominay. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. Referee gets the game back underway.
Chunki men taktika o'zgartirmasdan o'ynayapman. Faqatgina
Wants to run with the ball. Oh, and dispossessed there.
Birinchi qismlarda qo'llab ko'rganman.
He's moving fast with the ball.
Ikkinchi qismda esa
It's opened up. It's there. Dembele scores. That was a brilliant individual goal. He took the ball through the entire team. Here's Garnacho.
Like bosib olmaguncha chiqmasin. Biz bu kanalda
He's through on goal, but can he finish it? Put away. 2 goals today from this exciting player.
Bu kanalga chiqamiz. Bu kanal ukamning nomiga ochilgan.
Kukurea.
Ukam Bexruz, men esa o'zim Diyorbek. Shuning uchun
Long throw. Here's Garnacho. Is this a goal? Here's Dembele. He's running at the opposition. They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance to score. Oh, it's a goal. This team will be glad to see the back of this player as he gets his hat-trick. It's Neto. He's thrown it long. Here's Dembele. Mbappe. Back off the post. Well, that's it for the first half, and defending has been questionable at times. Some stern words from the manager in the interval, I imagine.
Xo'p, tez almashtirsak, bu bilan bu almashadi, bu bilan bu almashadi. O'tgan galgidagi. Bo'lmasam ketdik. Biza bo'ldik.
They're 5-0 up at half time. What a show they're putting on for their fans. James with the ball.
Vartan sanmıştı. Varta.
Clumsy challenge.
Üste çıkar koyarlar.
He rose up to win the ball. What a well-timed tackle. Enzo Fernandez. Perfectly executed. The referee has his work cut out. We're seeing a lot of tackles go in. Dembele driving forward. McTominay takes the shot. Sanchez blocks. Nodded on. Good ball control. Good clean challenge. It's there, Dembele's scores. That was his fourth goal. The opposition can't cope with him.
Ular eng katta va 8 kerak. Menimcha taxminim bo'yicha 8 bal qilamiz.
Possession.
Bo'laqa. Aha. Hali vaqt
That's
yo'q
a
dedi.
poor pass. Confident pass. Cucurella wins the tackle. Tries a long shot. Will we see a goal? It's there. Dembele scores.
Ana
Goals are
7
flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another.
taktika o'zgartirmasak ham bo'lar ekan. Ana taktika o'zgartirib yursa qiziqroq bo'lar ekan, lekin
Esteval.
taktika o'zgartirmasa bo'lsa ham bo'lar ekan.
Now it's
Taxminim
Torres.
bo'yicha 8-0 bo'ladi. Yana bitta gol ura olsam bo'ldi. Final qiyin bo'lsa kerak, bilmadim. Kim chiqishini noma'lum.
He steps up to steal the ball.
Chunki bu onlayn emas.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. And that was a foul all day long.
Like bosib obuna qo'yishni
He's headed the ball forward.
Bu harakatimiz uchun.
He dribbles the ball forward. Chalobah with the tackle.
Ronaldoni yaxshi kelsa,
Surely now. Oh, the player felt that one.
penaltini qizil ura.
And he sees red. His manager won't be pleased with him.
Gol ekan. Gol.
Sanchez blocks.
Bak. Tamam, 7-0 bu qarşı. Vah. Qizilga qoldi.
He's hit it long.
Fark 2-0. Hamayli. 8 bo'lmasa ham 2-0 bo'ldi. Zato yutdik. Kommentariyaga o'z fikringizni yozib keting yoki bo'lmasam o'zbek legenda deb yozib ketsangiz ham bo'laveradi. Xo'p, videoni kuzatganingiz uchun rahmat. Like bosib, obuna bo'lib qo'yish esdan chiqmasin. Xayr.